Gusto, let's get real for a moment. Life isn't always as smooth as we wish, and sometimes it feels like we're just spinning our wheels, stuck in the same spot no matter how hard we try. Ever feel like your salary disappears the moment it arrives? You wait for payday, but as soon as the money hits your account, it's already spoken for. You pay your bills, rent, EMIs, and suddenly, you're counting days till the next payday. Every rupee is accounted for, and there's barely anything left for yourself. This is the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. It's exhausting, isn't it? You work hard, but you're stuck in the same place. The cycle repeats month after month, and it feels like there's no escape. Stress, anxiety, and worry become your constant companions. You see others going on vacations, buying new gadgets, and wonder, what am I doing wrong? It's easy to compare yourself and feel left behind. Maybe you feel ashamed, thinking you're not smart with money or just don't earn enough. This feeling weighs you down, affecting your relationships, health, and dreams. Sometimes it even makes you avoid talking about money altogether. But let me tell you, this is not your destiny. It's just a situation, and situations can change. You are not defined by your current struggles. You work hard for your money, so why does it control you? Because we were never taught how to manage it. Most of us were left to figure things out on our own, without any real guidance. School taught us history and science, but not budgeting or investing. We're thrown into the world and expected to figure it out. No one explained how to build wealth or handle emergencies. So you try to save, but one emergency wipes it all out. Back to square one. It feels hopeless. The fear of unexpected expenses never really goes away. You start to believe this is just life, but it's not. You can break this cycle. You have more power than you think, even if it doesn't feel like it right now. The most dangerous part is giving up, accepting financial stress as normal. Today we change that. Today you take back control and start believing in a better future. We're going to break this cycle together. You're not powerless. You just need the right tools and mindset. And remember, you're not alone. Many people are on this journey with you. Imagine a life where you control your money, not the other way around. It's possible, and it starts now. Picture yourself making choices with confidence, not fear. No more feeling stuck. No more shame. This is your turning point. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. So let's take the first step. Are you ready? Let's do this. Your journey to financial freedom begins here, and I'll be with you every step of the way. If you're feeling stuck, listen closely. You are not alone. No matter how overwhelming things may seem right now, remember that your struggles are shared by many others. Millions in India and around the world are fighting the same battle, facing similar worries and fears about money in the future. Even those with good jobs and steady incomes silently struggle with money stress, often feeling pressure to keep up appearances. We don't talk about it because money is a taboo topic. It's something we're taught to keep private, even from those closest to us. Social media makes it worse. Everyone looks happy and rich, but it's just a highlight reel. We compare our real lives to their best moments. Behind those perfect pictures are real people with real problems, hidden struggles, and silent worries. Many are worried about bills and anxious about the future, just like you. You are not the only one lying awake at night, wondering how to make ends meet. The first step to freedom is letting go of shame. It's okay to admit you need help and to reach out for support. There's nothing to be embarrassed about. Everyone faces setbacks, and it's brave to acknowledge them. This is a common problem, and there's a solution. You don't have to figure it out alone. You're not a failure. You just haven't learned the right skills yet. Financial literacy is something anyone can build, step by step. Think of it like a health issue. You get help, learn, and recover. Just as you'd see a doctor for your body, you can seek guidance for your finances. Financial health is the same. It's about small, consistent steps that add up over time. Diagnose the problem, get the right knowledge, and take action. Every bit of progress counts, no matter how small. This is about taking back control from a system designed to keep you spending. You have the power to make different choices. Your peace of mind is more valuable than any gadget or dinner out. True happiness comes from security, not from things. By watching this, you've already taken the first step. You're choosing to learn and grow. You have the courage to change. Every journey begins with a single step, and you've already started yours. Let's use that courage and start your journey. Together, we can support each other and move forward. You're not alone. We're in this together. There's strength in community and hope in shared experience. Let's break the silence and fight back. When we talk openly, we help others find their voice too. Your story is just beginning. The next chapter is yours to write, and you have the strength to make it a good one. So, what's the solution? No get-rich-quick schemes here. The real answer is a 30-day reset. It's not about earning more, it's about mastering what you have. For the next 30 days, we'll change your relationship with money. You'll go from being its slave to its master. This plan is simple, practical, and doesn't require you to be a finance expert. Just commit for 1 month. It's not about deprivation, it's about intention. Decide where your money goes, instead of wondering where it went. We'll break the journey into 4 weekly phases. Week 1, Audit, see where your money is going. Week 2, Purge, cut unnecessary spending. Week 3, Build, create new habits and systems. Week 4, Boost, accelerate your progress. Think of it as a detox for your wallet. You'll become a conscious spender, not a miser. At the end, you'll have confidence, a plan, and peace of mind. Are you ready to take control? Let's begin your 30-day transformation. 1 month can change your financial life forever. The journey starts now. Let's do this together. Your future self will thank you. Welcome to Week 1, the Audit. This week is about facing the truth. You can't fix what you don't understand. Your first task, track every rupee you spend for 7 days. Use a notebook or an app. Just record everything. Don't judge, just collect data. You'll start noticing patterns and leaks in your spending. Second task, create a debt snapshot. List all your debts, credit cards, loans, money borrowed from friends. Write down who you owe, how much, and the interest rate. This isn't to shame you, it's to know your enemy. High interest debt eats your money silently. At the end of the week, review your spending diary, debt snapshot, and income. This is your financial X-ray. You'll see the whole picture, where money comes from and where it goes. Awareness is your first victory. You face the truth. Now you're ready to take action. Let's move forward with clarity. The journey continues. Week 2 is the Purge. Now that you know where your money goes, it's time to cut the fat. Go through your spending diary and highlight every unnecessary expense. Be honest. Mark those impulse buys and unused subscriptions. Cancel at least 3 subscriptions or memberships you don't use. These small leaks add up. Plug them and feel the instant relief. Next, try negotiating one regular bill. Phone, internet, or credit card interest. A simple call can save you hundreds over time. Companies want to keep you. Ask for a better deal. Now, tackle your biggest budget killer: food. Plan your meals for the week. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Cooking at home saves money and is healthier. This week is about being ruthless with wasteful spending. You're not just cutting costs, you're reclaiming your freedom. Every rupee saved is a step closer to your goals. Be smart, be intentional. You're in control now. Let's keep going. Week 3, Build. You've cut the waste, now let's build strong habits. First, create a simple budget. Plan where your money goes. Use categories: rent, bills, groceries, savings, etc. Try the cash envelope system for areas you overspend. Withdraw cash for each category and use only what's in the envelope. When it's gone, it's gone. This makes spending real. Next, set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings account. Pay yourself first, even if it's a small amount. Automate it so you're not tempted to spend. This is how you build wealth over time. Finally, have at least one no-spend day this week. Don't spend a rupee. Find 3 ways to enjoy your day. This builds discipline and creativity. You're building your financial fortress. Strong habits protect your future. Keep building. Week 4, Boost. You built a foundation, now let's accelerate. First, find a building. Week 4, Boost. You built a foundation, now let's accelerate. First, find a way to earn extra income. Sell unused items online. Use the cash to pay off debt or boost savings. Explore a side gig, freelancing, tutoring, pet sitting, anything that fits your skills. Even a small extra income makes a big difference. Next, invest in your knowledge. Spend an hour learning about compound interest and mutual funds. Understanding these basics will help your money grow. Finally, set one clear financial goal for the next 6 months. Make it specific and realistic. Write it down and keep it visible. This goal will keep you motivated and focused. You're not just surviving, you're moving forward. Every step counts. You're on the path to financial freedom. Keep the momentum going. The best is yet to come. Let's talk about the biggest obstacle, your own mind. It's the silent battle because emotions take over. It's not the map or the budget. It's the emotional F***-get moment. That split second when you feel overwhelmed, and your brain tries to convince you that spending will make it all better. Bad day at work, fight with your partner. Suddenly you want to splurge. It's like your mind is searching for a quick escape, a way to numb the stress or pain, even if it's just for a moment. Emotional spending is using money to fix a feeling. It's a temporary bandage, not a real solution. You get a quick high, but regret follows. That rush fades fast, and you're left with guilt and a dent in your finances. The F***ck moment can destroy weeks of progress in minutes. All your hard work can unravel with just one impulsive decision. So, how do you defeat it? How do you stop yourself from falling into the same trap over and over? Use the 5-second rule by Mel Robbins. It's a simple but powerful tool to break the cycle. When you feel the urge to spend, count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This tiny pause is your secret weapon. This interrupts your impulse and lets your rational brain take over. It gives you a moment to breathe and think clearly. In that pause, ask, will this really solve my problem? Or am I just trying to avoid a feeling? Will this purchase fix my mood or my relationships? Will it actually make things better in the long run? The answer is always no. The real solution is facing your feelings, not spending to cover them up. The 5-second countdown gives you power over your impulses. It's a small act, but it builds real strength. Remember your goals and the peace of mind you're working for. Visualize what you truly want, not just what you want right now. Practice this every time you feel the urge. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk away. Choose yourself and your future over a fleeting feeling. Each time you do this, your self-control gets stronger. It's a mental workout, and you're building resilience. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Small wins add up, and soon you'll notice real change. Don't let emotions control your wallet. You have the power to choose differently every single time. You're stronger than your impulses. Remind yourself of that every day. Stay focused on your journey. You've got this. Keep moving forward and watch your progress grow. We've reached the end of the 30-day plan, but this is just the beginning. You're now in control. Money is your tool, not your master. Over the past month, you've faced the truth, cut waste, built habits, and boosted your progress. You have the skills and mindset to manage your money with confidence. Take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. The person who felt stuck is gone. You're a financial warrior now. You have a budget, savings, and a plan. You've defeated the F***C tech yet moments. Be proud of yourself. This confidence will spill over into every part of your life. The challenge now is to continue. Make these habits part of your daily routine. Keep tracking, keep saving, keep learning. Progress matters more than perfection. If you slip up, get back on track the next day. Share your journey. Tell a friend, post online, inspire others. We can break the taboo around money together. The first step is always the hardest. You've already taken it. Now, go build the life you deserve. Your future self will thank you. Keep moving forward. Jai Hind. If you found this journey helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and support. Your next step starts here.